Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Practice Us. Today, we have a really fun and happy topic to talk about. We are going to share our favorite English words.
Ooh, I like the sound of that. I love words, but only easy words, right? For our English language learners?
Haha, yes, of course. Simple, beautiful words. Words that make you feel something good.
Perfect. I can already think of a few. Do you want to start, or should I?
You can go first this time, Paul. What is one of your favorite English words?
Okay. My first choice is a classic. The word is happy.
Happy! Oh, I love that word. Happy. It just sounds happy, doesn't it?
It does. It's a word that is also a feeling, a wonderful feeling. When I see it or say it, I feel a little bit better. For me, happy is the color yellow. It's bright and warm.
Oh, I love that. Like the sun. For me, happy is the sound of my friends laughing. That is a very happy sound.
That is a very happy sound. I think of my dog when he sees me. His tail moves so fast. That is pure happy.
That's true. A sunny day, a good friend, a nice song. These are all happy things.
Yes, it's a simple and perfect word. Great start, Paul. Thank you. Now it's your turn, Emily. What is your first word?
My first word goes very well with yours. My word is smile.
Smile. S-M-I-L-E. Oh, that's a brilliant word. Yes, when you are happy, you smile.
Exactly. A smile is something you can give to anyone. It's free. And you can hear a smile in someone's voice, too, when you talk on the phone.
That is so true. When you talk, I can hear your smile, Emily. It is a universal language. No matter where you are in the world, a smile means something friendly. It makes you feel connected.
Thank you, Paul. A smile is a beautiful thing. It makes your face light up. It's a very positive action.
It is. A great choice for a favorite word. Okay, my next word is family.
Family. Oh, that's a very important word.
It is. For me, family means love and support. It means home. You can always be yourself with your family.
That's so true. The word family feels very warm and safe. It's your first group of friends, isn't it? Your mom, your dad, your brothers or sisters.
Exactly. They are the people who know you the best. Family is about connection and being together, sharing meals, talking, laughing.
It is. It's a word full of memories and love. What a wonderful choice. Okay, my next word is beautiful.
Beautiful. That is a beautiful word to say. It describes so many wonderful things. A beautiful day, a beautiful flower, a beautiful song.
Yes. For me, a sunset is beautiful. All the colors in the sky. Wow. I also think a kind person has a beautiful heart.
Wow. Yes, that's a deep thought. Beautiful is not just for things we see, it's also for things we feel, like helping someone, a beautiful friendship.
Exactly. A beautiful action, a beautiful friendship. It's a word that describes the best things in the world. Things that make our eyes and our hearts happy.
Yes, it's a word full of wonder and admiration. Excellent choice. Okay, my turn again. I have a very simple one now. My word is water.
Water. Water. That's interesting. Tell me why.
Well, water is life. We need it every day. But I also just love the sound of the word, water. It's always moving, always changing.
It does have a nice sound. It's very soft, and I love the sound of actual water. The rain on the window, the ocean waves. Those are very relaxing sounds, very peaceful. It's so simple, but so good.
Exactly. And a cool glass of water on a hot day. Ah, it's the best feeling. It really is so simple, but so good.
It really is so simple, but so good. And water is beautiful to look at. A calm lake, a strong river.
True. So, water is one of my favorite words. I understand it now. That's a great one. Okay, my next word is music.
Music! Ugh, I love music, of course. Who doesn't? Music is a friend for everyone.
It is. There is a type of music for every feeling. Happy music, sad music, music for dancing. Music can completely change my mood. It's like magic.
Yes, it's like magic. And it doesn't matter what language the song is, you can still feel the emotion. I love to listen to music when I cook or when I drive. It makes everything better.
I agree. Life without music would be very quiet and a little boring. It's another universal language, like a smile.
I think so too. Music is a word full of life and feeling. Okay, my next word is kind.
Kind. Oh, Paul, that is one of my favorites too. It's just such an important word.
It is. It's maybe one of the most important qualities a person can have. To be kind. Yes, a kind word can make someone's day. Like, you did a good job, or I like your shirt.
Exactly. Small things. A kind action, like holding a door open for someone. It costs nothing to be kind, but it can mean everything to another person. Being kind is a choice, and it's always the right choice.
It is. The world needs more kindness. So, kind is a word that gives me hope. I think we should all say it more.
I agree. So, thank you is my final favorite. I think it is so important. These two small words are full of respect and gratitude.
They are. When someone does something for you, it's so important to say thank you. It shows you see them. It makes the other person feel good too.
Yes, it shows you appreciate their help or their kindness. You can say it for big things and for small things. Thank you for the coffee. Thank you for your help. Thank you for being my friend.
Yes, that's a very important one. Okay, my final word is dream.
Dream. Oh, what a magical word to end with. It's about possibilities. What a fantastic final word.
I think so. The word dream has two meanings, and I like both.
Ah, you mean the stories in our head when we sleep?
Yes, those dreams. They can be funny or strange. It's like a movie in your mind.
It is. It's always a surprise. And what is the other meaning?
The other meaning is your hope for the future, your big wish. It gives you motivation. It gives you hope.
Oh, yes. Like my dream is to travel the world. That's a beautiful thought. So a dream can be a goal, something to work for.
Exactly. So the word dream is about imagination and also about the future. It's a very hopeful word.
It really is. It's about possibilities. What a collection of positive, wonderful words. This was so much fun.
It really was. It's nice to stop and think about the simple words we use every day. Simple English is beautiful English.
It is, and it shows that you don't need big, difficult words to say something beautiful. Well, our time is almost over for today. I really enjoyed this conversation, Emily.
Me too, Paul. It made me feel very happy. And thank you to everyone who listened with us.
Yes, a big thank you to all of you. We hope you had fun. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, English Practice Us, so you never miss an episode.
And give us a like if you enjoyed talking about words with us.
And now for your homework. Just kidding, but we do have a question for you. Please leave a comment below and tell us, what is your favorite English word?
We would be so excited to read your answers. Maybe it's one of our words, or maybe you have a different one. I can't wait to see them.
Okay, everyone, that's all from us for today. Until next time, keep practicing.
Keep smiling and find the words you love. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.